What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your AirPods Max headphones. Let's get started. So first thing you need to do is you see this crown dial and this active noise cancellation button. What you're gonna do is hold them down at the same time. So let me place them in a way so you can better see what's gonna happen when I do that. So I'm pressing down just now, and you will see right here where this LED is, it's gonna turn amber, like orangish. You see what happened there? You see how it's slightly turned orange? Now it blinks really quick and very slight. It's not like it's the other Beats headphones where you can notice, when it finishes resetting, but it's very quick and very slight. But once you see that amber, orange color, that means it's been reset, and it starts trying to pair again with the new device that you're trying to pair it with. So this was a very quick video showing you guys how to reset your AirPods Max headphones from Apple. If you did enjoy this video and you did find it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care.